Hi, this is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House International Canadian Investor Conference, Vancouver, 2014. I have Dr. Rob Stephenson of Paradigm Environmental Tech, Inc. It's a private company. Dr. Rob, welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks, Shelley.
Okay, let's get right into it. Tell us about Paradigm and what do you do?
I'm the Chief Technical Officer of Paradigm. We have a technology that takes sludge, which is a byproduct of treating wastewater at municipalities and many industries, and turns that sludge into renewable natural gas and reduces the waste for disposal.
Tell me how it works.
We use something called a high-pressure homogenizer, the same thing you use to make ketchup or peanut butter, and we use it for bacteria. We break the bacteria apart like big water balloons, and they go splat, and what's left over can be turned into natural gas very quickly.
So how large a market is there?
Every city in the world has this problem. They're very good at treating the water, but they're not very good at dealing with the byproduct, the sludge byproduct that they produce.
So where does it lay in the greater scheme of the landfills? How do they get rid of it now?
There's three options to get rid of sludge right now. They can land apply it on farmers' lands or in forest lands. They can put it in a landfill or they can burn it. Each one of those solutions is expensive.
So how do you reduce the costs?
We reduce the cost by allowing the existing infrastructure at plants to work far better and far faster. So there's a direct operating cost benefit as well as a huge capital cost benefit.
So what's your background?
I've got a Ph.D. in chemical engineering. I'm an expert in what's called anaerobic digestion and wastewater treatment, and I'm the founder and the Chief Technical Officer of Paradigm.
So what's the slogan of your company that we'll be able to remember you by?
Shift happens.
So let me get this straight. You're right now targeting Canada, correct?
Yes, we have a sale to Metro Vancouver. We'll have our first full-scale permanent reference site in Metro Vancouver installed this time next year, and we'll invite the world to come and see it.
And when do you get to the U.S.?
They'll want to see the reference plant up and operating in Vancouver, and there's huge interest all around the world for this technology.
And your website is?
www.microsludge.com.
Microsludge.com. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Rob Stephenson, Paradigm Environmental Tech, Inc. It's a private company. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House International Canadian Investor Conference here in Vancouver, 2014. Rob, thanks for coming on to SNNLive.
Shift happens.
Talk to you later.
Thanks.